Hi STEM students. As you can see from our Google Classroom post, we are working asynchronously today. The directions are right here in the post, but I'm going to go through them with you on this video. You can see step 1, it says complete the Google check-in form. The link is here below. I'm going to click on the form to show you what it looks like. So you're just putting in your first and last name, and after you've read over the whole post and the assignment, you can add in here if you have any questions about our assignment today. I will be online all day checking my email and responding to your questions. This form is super important because it does count as your attendance, and you will be marked absent if you do not complete it. Step 2, under classwork, look under the weeks of March 22nd to April 16th. We are still continuing our optical illusions project, and we are in week 2 where you're going to create your own optical illusions. Now, if you are still completing your notes, if your notes are not done, you need to finish your notes first. So remember, your notes are this Google Doc that says optical illusions. You have a copy of the Google Doc, and you are to look through the Exploratorium website and look at some examples of different optical illusions and add it into your notes here. I have an example of what that can look like. So the second step, or the second week, is you creating your own optical illusions. So I put some examples in here. There's all the examples in that Exploratorium website that we looked at last week. I have a Google Doc with other suggestions that you can look at. There's the YouTube video with the game that we played that had all the optical illusions in it. And then I added a new video today that says creating optical illusions. Miss Paulson made this, and it shows how to use Google Drawing. So you can use Google Drawing to make your own optical illusions. You can just draw them on paper and pencil and then take pictures of those drawings, or you can use any online program that you like to do drawings with, as long as you can take a screenshot of that drawing. And again, all the directions are here right on our Google Classroom page. But if you have questions, you can email me. My email address is here. My Google Voice number is here. I will be checking my email all day. So if you have questions about our assignment, please, you can send me an email, you can send me a text. Let me know if you have questions. And thank you for checking in with our class and getting your assignment done.